Okay, so this technique here is called chop and drop. It's it's always referred to in the permaculture books, like, like it's no big deal. Like, just take your fertilizer, your biomass from your existing trees, chop off a leaf, boop. All right, chop and drop, and then there it is. And so what I have here is a tiny little cacao plant that I just planted, right? And what I want to do is mulch thickly around it so that all of this aggressive, non-native spreading grass, you can tell how much I don't like it, the way I talk about it, doesn't invade and choke this little guy. So you can use these leaves, these big banana leaves. They make a nice thick mulch, make a couple layers, and mulch around your little plant, and it's got like this little island of protection around it. It's great. Now, the problem is, this is a great technique, but the thing is what do you do if you don't have any biomass? What do you do if you don't have your bananas already growing, and you don't have any other trees, you don't have any other wooded area on your land, because you're regenerating a pasture, and that's the whole point of regeneration. So this is another reason why I really emphasize super important to grow your pioneer species first and be patient and wait that year before you put your target species in, so that you have this valuable biomass, because it does a lot of things. It shades out the grass around it, so that it can't grow up close to the cacao. It also breaks down and puts nutrients into the soil. So essentially you're getting an herbicide, a weed killer, and a fertilizer in one shot for free. But the important thing is that it has to exist. Now, I think sometimes I love the permaculture community, but they want everybody to get on board. So they want to make it really easy. And they're like, yeah, just use biomass. And I'm like, well, when we got to our land, we didn't have any, and it was really frustrating. So plant your pioneer species. Now, if you're not in the subtropics or tropics, it's not going to be banana. It's going to be something else. It might be pumpkin. It might be corn. It might be something else that grows a lot of leaves, a lot of vines, that once you get your annual crop, you can cut it, and then you can use it to fertilize your ground, and also as a natural weed killer. But wherever you are, chop and drop works, but you have to have what you're going to chop and drop growing first.